Welcome to today's current affairs analysis for March 4th, 2026. Let's dive into the critical updates shaping India and the world. The conflict in West Asia has intensified, involving Israel, Iran, and United States. First, a major geopolitical development. Rising tensions in Persian Gulf have led to the closure of the Strait of Hormuz. This is a serious concern for India as it threatens our energy security and the safety of Indians living in the region. India has shown serious concern about the growing violence and has asked all sides to remain calm and solve issues through talks. This crisis can affect oil prices, inflation, and India's energy security. The Ministry of External Affairs has set up special control rooms to assist Indian citizens in the region. After Prime Minister Modi's historic visit, India and Israel has strengthened their ties by upgrading their relationships to a special strategic partnership. This includes cooperation in digital payments like UPI and joint defense manufacturing. Now let's look at national current affairs. In internal security news, the Indian Army stopped a drone in Jammu's Poonch district. This clearly shows how technology is now being used more for cross border threats. On the diplomatic front, Finland's President Alexander Stubb has begun his official visit to India. He is a chief guest at the 11th Resina Dialogue. The discussions will focus on strengthening technology cooperation between India and the Nordic countries, a group of Northern European nations known for innovation, digital governance, and clean technologies. Finally, Maharashtra has launched Saksham, India's first AI based skill census. It aims to understand how ready people are for jobs and may later be used across the country. National Safety Day is observed on 4th March to raise awareness about safety at workplaces and to prevent accidents. It also marks the formation of National Safety Council in 1966. That's all for today. Like, share, and subscribe for daily current affairs.